How to make money trading crypto. I show you one of my methods that helped me to make huge money only using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Trading with high drops within one day. In this time, I introduce you the first field, where I invested my money separated for cryptocurrencies. I show you how did I make 30% profit every month. Do not worry if you are a completely beginner in this topic, you will understand everything, because I will explain you everything. Just like in any other businesses, it is very important in case of cryptocurrencies to minimize the risks. Therefore, I invested my money to the three main fields of the world of cryptocurrencies, significantly lowering the risks. The total amount spent on the crypto business is the 30% of my savings. I never invest my complete cash or use bank loans, this is my principle. I invested the 60% of my money separated for cryptocurrencies into this methods. Trading with high drops within one day. This is a very well working, safe strategy making extra high profit. The brief point of the strategy is that if one coin drops 7% or more within 24 hours, then a correction is expected with high probability, thus its exchange rate will rise. Check the link below.